All right, so we have the new Poetic Cases for the iPhone 16 lineup. We have the 16 Plus that we're gonna drop test or durability test. And we also have the 16 Pro, which we're also gonna test out. We have two different variants. So we have this Revolution case, slide camera function, and a kickstand. And then we have this Neon series case, which is a little bit easier to actually take your phone in and out, and it has MagSafe as well as a camera guard as well. So we're gonna test the drop test on both of those for the 16 Pro. For the 16 Plus, we're just gonna do the Revolution case because we only have the Revolution case, but here we go. So 16 Plus, this one doesn't have a screen protector. The 16 Pro has a screen protector that's built in. It's like a plastic version. This one has nothing. So we're gonna do just out of the pocket first. We're gonna do natural dropping. That's one. It just pops out this kickstand. We're gonna make sure this camera is locked. Drop two, drop three, drop four. I might as well do this in slow motion, huh? All right, drop five. So that's 5 drops with this case here. It only has a little bit of scratching, but it rubs off pretty much. So that's that. We're gonna go ahead and throw it slightly in the air. Okay, now these ones are military grade, so they're able to handle a lot better drops. So we're gonna throw it in even higher. So ready, 3, 2, 1. It actually survived. No way, it survived. You see right here, just the camera guard just keeps opening up, like sliding over, but it survives every single test. Everything works. Screen is perfectly fine. Let's try this again. And the impact is very soft, so. Besides that one. All right, so there we go. You have it completely shattered. Now it's gonna try the 16 Pro. We have the same similar case. Which also slides out, so. This one has a screen protector that's built in this time. So every just accidental drop would actually last if it was a different drop, then maybe not. It seems like the weak part would be when it slams on the ground face down. That's usually the hardest part, and it looks like it did crack. So you can see here, it cracked underneath the display. So I wouldn't recommend dropping it. If you accidentally dropped it on the front, that's gonna basically how it would be. But that's pretty much how the Revolution would be. That's the weak point when it comes to this case. But if you drop it on the side, it bounces off completely. Stupid dog. But if you were to switch out this little inner piece because it's a hard plastic and then just goes straight into the phone, the front at least, that's where the damage will be. So this case right here, since it's fully rubber, it'll actually bounce off from the phone and not do any impact. This camera guard has a different story though, because it is a metal one. It just goes straight through the phone. Simple kinetic energy traveling through that one spot. So there's that drop test, the durability test, and what they can improve on. It is a good case if it were to be, oh, also this version the kickstand did fall out, but yeah, that's the simple version. Obviously it's pretty much cracked now, so we can't really test it any further, but I will go ahead and just throw some of this away. This one has a screen protector on it, so we're gonna slap it over and just do a drop test. Oh, this has 2 screen protectors on it. So this has 2 screen protectors on. We'll use one for now, just to cover it up. So hopefully that will simulate the same thing. It might not, who knows. All right, so now we have the neon case with a screen protector over the front of the dummy unit. Let's see if this camera guard will actually help it or break it. And yeah, so let's do camera first. 3, 2, 1. Looks like it didn't shatter any further. Yeah, the screen protector is perfectly fine. Do a little throw. That one did break it a little more, but it was already broken to begin with. The actual screen protector is a little shattered. It was raised higher, so I figured it would actually break more. So yeah, that one's completely dead, but we're still gonna keep going, because why not? So face down, 3, 2, 1. Since the back still could break, so we're gonna do camera guard. We're gonna do it open just in case we were recording. And see if this camera guard will actually break off or if it'll be fine. If you were recording, try this again. All right, so yeah, it looks like this case is really good when it comes to protecting. Obviously the front is completely gone, but that was already gone to begin with. This does have a weight in here, so it's just distributed as a regular phone. The glass is a lot cheaper, so of course it's gonna break. The camera guard actually does protect, you can see here. So if I would have to go with a case for Poetic, I love these new style cases called Neon, I believe. I just like the back case. It looks really sick. It looks kind of like something from Tron. The camera guard actually works. You can see here, it takes out a chunk from the aluminum rather than the case or the phone. And it's easy to take on and off, so you don't have to struggle with it. You don't have to use that two-piece. It's perfectly fine on the back. And it has that military grade drop protection there as well. Yeah, it says right there, Neon. So it's a neon style case, which I do prefer. So yeah, if you guys had to go with the case, I would highly recommend the neon version from Poetic. The regular case is good too, but if you happen to drop it without a screen protector, it might do a lot of damage on the front at least. But they're going a good step in the direction for this neon case for sure. And plus you have MagSafe here compatibility. So yeah, if you guys want to check it out, link is in the description to buy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We out.